Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add pages numbers in Microsoft Word in 2025. So I will be on my desktop and make sure you will just open the WordPress, you will know, which is the software of Microsoft. So I will be on this blank page and here you will see the insert button. I will just tap on it, and when you just tap on it, so here you will see the header, footer, and the third one is page number, and I will just tap on it. So when I was just tap on it on the top of the page, so here you will see the plain number 1 page, plain number 2 page, and plain number 3 page. And if you want to just like the page number 1 of plain, I will just tap on it. So in the header you will just type it. So in this way you will just have to add pages numbers in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.